Well, we had this dropped off yesterday. It's one of our friends, / customers, Matt's car. He's not able to drive and he decided he needs to rear end people all the time. This is the second time it's happened. So it's in there. Hopefully get a full front end for it, pull it out as much as possible and get it repaired. As you can see, it's a nice compact m52 2.5. We converted a while ago for him. So stay tuned and we'll go through the repair and show you as much as possible and hopefully get it back on the road in the next few days. Have them put it away. So this is the extent of the damage. Not too bad. So that's this all stripped down. We have to take all the bits now off the donor car, which is a silver compact. I'll show you. So there we go. So we picked this up just to use all the bits and pieces off it. Bonnet, nose cone, lights, all the broken bits on Matt's car. So that's next under this now, is just strip that one and get all the parts, transfer them over to Matt's. It's basically back straight now. Have a look. There's another little bit of welding on the side to get that in place. And just this bit now, we need to repair this, get it all back in place, and then we can put everything back on and see if everything lines up and get it back running. So everything is stripped now off the silver compact and it's all ready to go back onto Matt's car. Show you a bit. So everything ready and same there.
No, James. Yeah. You stay here.
I don't want. I'll still visit.
And rock with us.
I just don't want to visit. I don't want to eat. Yeah, one stick.
Right, so Matt's car is basically finished, just a few more bits and pieces left to do. Just give you a quick look. So you can see we fitted one of our bash bars as well. So next time he crashes, he'll have that to protect him. Just a few more bits, put the bumper on. This will have to be cable tied on because it's quite broke, but he wants to keep it. But other than that, it's come up quite decent. And you just need to paint it or wrap it in the future. So that's Matt's car, all done. Just needs paint now if he decides to do that, but as you can see, all finished and repaired.